Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I am the Wordle Turtle. And in this video, I show you how I solved yesterday's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, and I give you tips and tricks on how to become the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be happy you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle for June 12th. 2023, Wordle number 723. I have tried numerous starter words. Here's the one word that I find works the best. That word is raise. R-A-I-S-E. Why raise? Because it has 3 vowels and 2 of the most used letters in the alphabet, an R and an S. Let's see what happens. Well, so far, not good. Only one letter, and that letter is not in the correct place. There is no A, I, or E, so that means there is more than likely an O, a U, or a Y. So the next word I use if I don't get any vowels is the word youth. Y-O-U-T-H. Why youth? Because it has the remaining 3 vowels, and it also has an H. An H is used in conjunction with a lot of other letters like WH, TH, as you can see. Also CH and SH, even though the S I know is not in the word. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I use the word youth. Okay, so now I have 2 letters. They are both in the wrong place, so now I have to kind of figure out where the vowel will go. And I am just going to predict it probably will go in the middle, and then there will be 2 consonants on each side, and I know that I have an R. If I were to put the R here and the O in the middle, what letter goes with R? Well, C goes with R. C, R, O, and now I have to figure out the last 2 letters. One word that comes to mind is crock, C-R-O-C-K. I'm not sure there would be 2 C's in the word, so I'm going to not use that one. Another word that starts with C-R-O that comes to mind is crown. Maybe that's because I'm watching the series The Crown on Netflix. If you've never watched it, it's a great series. So let's go ahead and try C-R-O-W-N. Press enter. Come on, be crowned. Ooh, now I have 4 letters. 2 of them are in the right place. There's also a W and an N. So I know the W does not go here. I know the N does not go at the beginning because there are no words, I think, that start with NR. So that's got to be a W. That's pretty easy. So W, R, O, and then we have the N that we have to use. So the word is wrong. I'm pretty sure I have it right, and I'm not wrong. So let's see what happens. W-R-O-N-G. Got Wordle in just 4 tries. Not a bad job. So congratulations to me. That is the Wordle for today, June the 12th, 2023. Wordle number 723 is wrong. No, it's right. The word is wrong. So there you have it, how I solved yesterday's Wordle. I really hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. This is the Wordle Turtle saying thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.